Cryptography aims to protect the security of information. The purpose of a cryptographer is to find the vulnerabilities of cryptographic algorithms by developing various methods to improve the security of information systems. Thanks to the work by Xiaoyin Wang, professor at the Institute for Advanced Study, Tsinghua University, security vulnerabilities were exposed in two cryptographic algorithms which had been considered secure.
密码算法它有多种，但是从计算的问题来看，它主要有3类，一类是加密算法，第二类是电子签名，第三类是哈氏函数。
A hash function is a special compression function which maps a message of arbitrary length to a fixed length output labeled as a hash value or digital fingerprint.
哈氏函数本身它一定要保证完整性，就是防数据篡改的。
To be considered secure for cryptography, hash functions need to have certain properties. An important one is collision resistance, which means it's hard to find two different messages with the same digital fingerprint.
所以说当时我就想了解一下我们国际上大约有5-6种非常重要的密码哈氏函数算法，我就想分析它们的安全性是怎样的，它是否能够承担起保障这些3种安全的要求。
Many cryptographers were trying to break the popular hash functions of MD5 and SHA-1.
MD5 它是一个非常通用的哈氏函数的算法，被用在众多的这种计算机网络系统里边，也包含我们的操作系统里边，它是被大家广泛接受的一个算法。另外一个算法就是SHA-1 ，MD5 的碰撞攻击在当时的时间，它被认为是上百万年找不出它的碰撞攻击的。那么我们给出的这个攻击就是大约是32个 CPU、15分钟就可以找到它的碰撞，真实的碰撞。
In 2005, Wang went further by discovering a vulnerability in SHA-1, which was once considered the pinnacle of computer security. She and her colleagues reported a method to find collisions in SHA-1 hash function 100,000 times faster than an exhaustive search. Wang's work demonstrated the insecurity of MD5 and SHA-1. Later, NIST announced a series of policy documents and launched a competition to find the new standard hash function. China also launched the design of its new standard hash function. With colleagues, Wang designed a new cryptographic hash function, SM3, which was published in 2010. It became the Chinese national standard in 2016 and was accepted as an international standard in 2018.
作为一位女科技工作者，我觉着我们是要付出的多一点，特别是在平衡这个研究和家庭的事情之间，它需要做出一些平衡。除了这一点以外，我觉着就是我们的研究能力还是相同的。另外，我觉着我们女性有一个非常明显的特点，就是坚持有韧性。我也知道了一些女学生，我觉得她们都有这一点特点，这一点对我们做密码分析是非常有帮助的。
Wang is continuing to work on ways to improve cryptographic security.
第二个工作就是从事高维格理论的研究。高维格理论它是抗量子计算机攻击更要密码的非常重要的数学基础。那么我们也是希望基础数学能够在实际当中有重要的应用。我还有一个希望就是能够支持年轻人创业，将我们的密码技术应用到很多领域，特别是我们的数字经济领域，使我们的社会更安全，人们的生活更幸福。
For her seminal contributions to cryptography, the 2019 Future Science Prize in Mathematics and Computer Science was awarded to Xiaoyin Wang, who became the first female winner of the Future Science Prize.